sound effects are pretty funny when they're on a video, right? Of course you do. But here's what happens when they get out of hand. Okay, kids, we're in the middle of the fairway. Now, who can tell me what 2 plus 1 is?
4!
No, stupid, it's 3! Oh, God! Oh, God! Alright, now, Dale said that he's going to pick us up on hole 9. Probably going to be hole 9 right here because we were last on hole 8. Let's see. Now on hole 10. Wait, hole 10? No! Why? Why?
Hey, dude, your ball's right in front of mine. Can you mark it?
No.
Dude, come on. This is for birdie. I need this.
No.
Do you have a solution? Oh my gosh. Did you seriously just do that? Go get my ball.
No.
You know what? How about I hit your ball?
No.
Okay, fine.